welcome back to my channel. My name's Sabrina and I hope you're having a super sparkly day. Today I recreated Evie's look from Descendants. I think this is a super fun Halloween look and I got a little blue wig to wear, that way it can kind of complete the look, and this cute little hair bow with an apple. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching, but before you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Now let's hop on into it.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start off with my favorite Master Prime, just to prime the eyes. And I already have my base done for today since it was the same as in the Audrey tutorial. And then the palette that I'm using today is the Naked Smokey palette, and I'm just going in to start with the lightest shade, which is Combust, and then going in with a little bit of Dirty Sweet to go ahead and add just a little bit of brown in that light shine. And then I'm adding a little bit of silver with the color Armor, and then I'm just going in and blending this all to make sure it goes together really nicely. And finally I'm going in with a little bit of a darker brown color called Radar. I'm just going to blend that out, and then I'm going to take this blue shadow from Victoria's Secret called Wild Night and put this underneath the lash line and a little bit on the upper lash line as well. I'm just going to blend this in really lightly. That way you get just a little bit of a smoky effect. And then I'm going to go in with the blue liner, which makes this that classic Evie look. I'm just going to go ahead and draw on my wings, and this is a really bright blue eyeliner. It kind of matches my hair, which I think is awesome. I definitely think this makes a great Halloween look, especially if you want to go as Evie. Evie's another one of my favorite characters from Descendants. I think she's super cool, and I loved all the different little accessories they gave her in the movie. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing on this side, going ahead and making that blue wing. And after that, I just went ahead and warmed up this Ulta eyeliner on the back of my hand in Stormy Night, and I went ahead and unlined the lower lash line and lined the waterline just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of smoke and to blend the top with the bottom. Then I went back in and just took that same Victoria's Secret shadow and blended it as well. Then I went ahead and coated my lashes with their first coat of mascara with the Maybelline Mega Plush. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Master Contour. Mine looks a little rough since I've already hit pan, and just go ahead and contour out my face. And I'm also going to use the blush in this palette this time. Evie doesn't have too much of a blush, but I kind of went with a lighter version here. And then I went in with some Urban Decay Luminous highlighter and went ahead and highlighted my cheeks. And then I went ahead and took that same liner and used it again as a little bit of mascara just to give my lashes that blue pop. And for lips, I used the Flowered Lipstick in Body Buttercup and Wet n Wild's Fairies Funeral to have a nice neutral lip with a little bit of gloss. And I think this is super fun, and that's all for this look, guys. So thanks for watching. Bye!